Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and it's been 2 years since I've done a setup tour, and a lot has changed. Welcome to my 2019 setup tour. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is a desk. I've been rocking the Kiamichi Desk for the past couple years. It's super clean, has 2 large drawers for plenty of storage. I use one for my collection of earphones, anything else I don't want on top of my desk, and the other is just a bunch of random stuff that I don't want sitting on the desk. But my number one favorite thing about this desk is the built-in cable management. Below on the back of the desk is a compartment that you can use to store the power strips and any wires, so it keeps the overall setup clean. And a new addition to my setup is this chair. This is the AUG, A-U-A-G, however you want to pronounce that. This is a cheaper and a great alternative to the more expensive DX Racer chairs. This model is now discontinued, but I'll link one very similar to this below. Anyway, this chair is very comfortable for long video edits, and what's really cool is the fact that it has a built-in recliner, so if I'm done editing a video and I just want to watch like a quick Netflix show, I can just kick back and chill. I'll be linking this down in the description alongside every single product or anything I talk about in this video. Now, the heart of my setup and literally what powers everything is a Macbook Pro 15-inch mid-2017 with touch bar. I picked this up on Black Friday for $1,700, brand new from B&H, and I have to say this is definitely the most expensive and the best investment to the channel yet. I use this to edit all the videos on the channel and other client work outside of YouTube, as well as for school. What I love about having a laptop as my main editing machine is the fact that I can literally take it anywhere without having to sacrifice on performance or losing anything. When I am using it outside of my setup, I'm either editing videos, or I'm at work, or I'm working on other projects outside of YouTube. And when I'm using it on the setup, I have it connected to the Benq 4K Hdr monitor. Speaking of the monitor, I'm currently using the Benq EW3270U 32-inch 4K Hdr monitor. At its $500 price tag, this is definitely worth every single penny in my opinion. This features a beautiful LED 4K panel that has a matte finish. You also have HDR technology, which increases the dynamic range of the monitor. This monitor drastically improves my workflow since I have plenty of real estate to multitask. Video editing is great on here because of the high resolution. You get plenty of space to constantly edit on your timeline. This monitor is also wonderful for streaming content. I can finally watch my own videos in 4K, which is super crispy. Above the monitor is the Logitech C920 webcam. It's able to output 1080p video for super crispy video calls, and I love how it blends in with the overall monitor. Below the monitor, I have this $20 monitor stand that I picked up on eBay a couple years back. It's great because not only does it look clean on the setup, but it also allows me to add more space to the setup, because if it wasn't there, I would have to find a new spot to put my MacBook. As for the speakers I use, I'm rocking the Kanto YU3 bookshelf speakers. These are now discontinued, but I'll link below the YU4s, which is the updated version of these. Anyway, for that $300 price point, these are definitely worth it. Not only are you getting extremely detailed, accurate audio, but it also has a minimalist design that truly fits the black and white theme of the setup. Moreover, it has a dedicated remote that allows you to adjust the volume, the amount of bass and treble, and the different output modes. Also, I love the addition of Bluetooth so I can connect my phone and play music wirelessly. Okay, so bordering the left speaker is a Space Gray Satechi headphone stand. This adds 3 extra USB 3.0 ports to my MacBook and a headphone jack while still looking fresh, holding my Audio-Technica ATH M40X wrapped in a D-brand skin. Now, as far as peripherals go, I use the Logitech Craft keyboard. The Craft offers a premium typing experience and a huge dial that adapts to different applications for all you creative professionals. Design-wise, the Craft is a full-size keyboard that comes in a matte gray finish and features rounded sides, which truly give it a minimal but unique look to it. I love the fact that it's backlit, so it's great for long night edits. My mice of choice is Logitech's MX Master 2S. It has a huge profile with precisely curved sides to ergonomically fit your hand. It's comfortable for long video edits, and I love the addition of the side scroll wheel for scrolling through the timeline while I'm video editing. As for anything sitting on my desk is a Fi-Fine microphone, which is under $50 on Amazon, and that's what I'm using to record this voiceover, and I like to keep it on the desk because it goes well with the overall color scheme. I also have the Logitech Circle camera, which allows me to monitor my office from anywhere around the world. Oh yeah, and I also have a glass Coke bottle that I got from the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta a few years back, and I don't plan on drinking anytime soon, but in case for some reason I run out of water or anything to drink, I'm gonna pop that Coke bottle and drink that up real quick. You'll also find a couple little figurines. I don't know if you want to call them figurines, but just little objects or little souvenirs that I've gotten from different places I've traveled. The giraffe is from Kenya, where I was born, and of course the 2 Statue of Liberties are from New York. I really love New York. I've been there about like 2-3 times. I'm probably gonna go again. New York is awesome. Last but not least, on the side of my desk, I also have a headphone stand from Brainwaves. It's made out of metal, super great quality, but I usually switch between different headphones I'm testing out on here. Right now I have the AI modular headphones, so expect a video on that very soon. Overall, that concludes my 2019 setup tour. This right here is what allows me to push out content on a consistent basis. I also added a new setup to my studio/office. If you'd like to see a video on that, let me know down in the comment section. As always, links to purchase any of the products or links to any of the products that I talked about in this video will be down in the description. This has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.